The Sub 12HG subwoofer delivers something that most woofers out there are not capable of, such as the two lowest octaves of the 10 that human ears can hear. This company is known as a manufacturer of incredibly high quality audio devices, and this product is one of their best. It features line level and speaker level inputs for compatibility, accompanied by a 12-inch woofer that gives deep and rich bass tones. It also has a 300-watt bash amplifier for wall shaking experience, 650 watts of dynamic power, an automatic on and off or standby mode for efficient usage of the energy, and of course 12-inch fiber composite cone that eliminates the issues connected with buzzing. That's not all, there are also line level and LFE RCA inputs included to ensure compatibility with old and new receivers. This subwoofer is finished in matte black with small Klipsch branding at the bottom of the front side, while the back features the usual suspects, including a speaker, inputs, outputs, volume with low-pass knobs, RCA line in, and attachable power cable. It has a blue and red dual-color LED display on the front, so you'll know when the unit is on or in standby mode. The Sub 12 HD is a real star when it comes to producing quality sound. It'll shake your house and take over your entire setup, even if it's not maxed out. With one word, it's a killer. In addition to its ability to play loud and go deeper than anything else in its class, it wraps technical superiority and eye-catching cosmetics into one affordable package and perfectly anchors a home theater or two-channel system. The subwoofer's built-in low-pass crossover can be continuously adjustable from 40 to 120 Hz, and its bass is very clear and tight at lower volumes. Overall, this subwoofer delivers some of the best performance you'll find at this price range, no matter if you want to listen to loud music, play a game, or watch a movie. It has enough power to deliver deep and yet accurate bass, and you'll be able to hear every detail of the audio. It's very affordable too, so all these features combined with a sleek design should be more than enough to put this subwoofer into your buying list.